my name is Jamie Krauth, and this summer I interned at Chico's FAS as a merchandising intern on the Chico's Denim and Jackets team in Fort Myers, Florida. A lot of my day-to-day consisted of helping the assistant merchant with things such as sample management. I also attended all meetings and I was able to observe them and ask questions, and I also learned how to use some of the programs that Chico's uses. I got this internship through LinkedIn. I applied, had one interview, and then was offered the job the same day. I most enjoyed learning what merchandising is actually like in a corporate setting and getting to know my team. The most important things I learned was how to use some of the programs like BuyTool, and also how to read reports and refreshing on my retail math, such as things like GAF and comp percent and stock to sales. I also loved learning how all the cross-functional teams can affect the merchandising business. And to a future intern, I would tell you to ask as many questions as you can and get the most of your experience.